everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I can't believe it was about 3, if not a little bit more, 3 weeks ago since we last did these nails. Isn't it going quick? I find time's going so quick at the moment. But some super exciting news since my last Watch Me Work. I am now a proud Magpie brand ambassador. So I'm really excited about this. It's an amazing opportunity to work with one of the best brands I think I've come across in 7 years of my nail career. They are just, I just love them. I just love everything about them. You know, the Magpie team are an amazing bunch of women. The brand itself, I love every single product. There literally isn't a product that I've come across that I don't love. They are just everything and more that you could possibly want in a brand. And I know I recently completely rebranded to Magpie. I've used them for a couple of years, but I've never fully appreciated them, I don't think. So yeah, so I'm really excited about that. And I'm definitely sure that rebranding to Magpie completely is one of the best decisions that I have made in my career so far. So yeah, so that's new. So anyway, back to the nails. So I've come in, I've pushed the cuticles back, and I'm just removing the old colour and some of the old Give Me Strength bulk. So ready for reapplication. So I'll just let you have a watch and then I will be back. So once I've finished removing all the cuticles, I'm taking my 240 grit file and just sharpening up the shape. I went for rounded last time, but I didn't really like it. I kind of feel like square suits my fingers a lot more. So I'm just having a bit of a faff about with that, trying to get them straight. And I'm a bit OCD, so I like to look at them from probably every angle possible and just make sure that they are how I want them. So then I will use my 240 egg buffer, and I just get the kind of scaggy bits from underneath the nail that they can catch on anything and they are so irritating. So once I've taken that off, I will then use Prep and Dehydrate and just go over the nail with a lint-free wipe, and then we will be ready to go. with Magpie is all about the base, and I'm going to do a really super thin layer for this. This is just to make sure that the Give Me Strength has got something to hold on to. And once I have applied this to all 5 nails, I will pop it in the lamp and cure for 30 seconds. So once they come out of the lamp, I've decided to try Give Me Strength Peach this time. It looks absolutely stunning. So I thought that I would give this one a go. I do prefer the nude kind of builder in bottles, or the Give Me Strengths, anything like that. If I can get them in nude, then it's just my go-to. I love it. So I apply a thin slip layer, just all over the nail, and then I will cure that for 60 seconds. Once that's cured, I will then come in and just apply another slip layer and a bigger bead just for extra strength, ready for the design. So once the second layer had cured, I'm coming in with a lint-free wipe and prep and dehydrate, just removing that tacky layer, ready for the design. So I'm using plain Jane and just randomly adding little kind of swooshy patches, or just random blobs really, we'll call them blobs, and there's no kind of order to it, it's just do what you think. and go with it. So yeah, we are going to cure that. The next colour I'm using is Pearls a Singer, which is absolutely beautiful. It's like quite a nice bright pastel lilac. Again, just doing the same as what I did with Plain Jane, just randomly add in those little brush strokes onto the nail, going over the white. I don't exactly want to cover the whole nail with colour. That was why I chose Give Me Strength Peach. And then the last colour, once I have cured Pearls a Singer, was Mamma Mia. And again, just adding them randomly. Don't kind of overthink it too much. And yeah, just do what you feel you want to, really. Just go with it. And yeah, we are going to cure that for 60 seconds. So once that's fully cured, I am taking the Roseanna Flakes and the Illustrator brush. This is an old Illustrator brush. It's one that I do use to apply the flakes, so don't use a new one. Just kind of make sure that you've got an old brush to apply this with. So I just pick them up and just randomly apply them into the sticky layer of that colour. Once I'm happy with where the flakes are applied, I'm using Magpie's Get Foiled, and I'm going to add a layer of that just over the top, ready for application of foil. Once that's fully cured, I'm then going to take Etta-Rose and just randomly apply these onto the nail. Again, it is just place it where you think you want it. There's no kind of uniform to it, just random little specks, and a little bit goes a long way. So don't get too carried away, because you want to see the other sections of the nails too, but it just adds this really nice layered effect. Once I'm happy with where I've applied the foil, I'm then going to use the Magpie gel paint in black and their dotting tool, and just literally apply random dots in different places on nails. Again, this just gives a really nice kind of abstract effect. So yeah, once I'm happy with where I've put the dots, I will cure for 60 seconds. I will then use Magpie's Don't Be Tacky, cure that, and the Cuticle Oil. So I hope you've enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. Take care, guys. Bye.